Hi, welcome back to Mechanic Garage. The Skoda's today going to get clean because although blue one's scrap, it looks a bit of a mess. The green all over the silver one will be coming off. I'm going to get some decent cleaning stuff on that, and we'll see how it gets on. Hopefully, underneath all that muck, it's actually not too bad. Just get it softened up, and then I'll start with the serious scrubby stuff and the spinny jet. Fingers crossed that'll make a bit of a difference. That's made a massive difference. It's actually silver, not the mouldy green that it was. That's just washed all the muck and crap out of it. That's when I'll get the snow foam on it and then give it a scrub. Then I'll swap it around and do the rest of it. Snowy. Time to wash the blue one. Right, I've got the front wheel off after I've cleaned it up, and give this a good wash out for now. I'm not going to go start stripping anything just yet. I'm going to wait till it's all up and running. So for now, I'm just going to get all the cobwebs out. Right, just come out the sun a little bit because it's boiling. So I'm just going to clean up these wheels. I've already just put one on, a bit of gravel rash on it, curb rash, and they're not perfect. However, they're better than the scabby steels that were on it. So just going to spray this one up, and we'll let the stuff do its thing. Right, well that's the. It's been a few minutes. You can see how grotty it's gone. I'll just scrub it off and give the wheel a damn good clean up. Socket. Well, that went well. I forgot to press record. So I'll move on to another door. Basically, put a cloth up there, stop soaking all the seats, and then jet washed all around the edges. So I'll do the same to the front now, and this time I will press record. Hopefully. Basically, stop the seats getting splattered, but don't matter if I get a bit of wet in there. All needs a damn good clean anyway. So it's not going to hurt it. Easy as that. Right, I think I'll do for today. The car's pretty clean. I've only got one side done. I never got around to the other. I ended up started faffing around with the bits. Hence that door is all taped up now. I got the lock out of it. Turns out you don't need to do any of that. You don't need to take out the inner panel with all the good window regulator and everything on it. It did have to come out anyway because that actually works. That's a good one. But apparently, by the joys of looking on YouTube, because I didn't know, there's two screws in there. One there, one holds the lock in and one actually allows it to come out, I believe. But either way, unscrew those, wriggle the lock, and the whole thing came out. Did the same on this one. So we're back to how we were before I started getting in it. But it's pretty clean now. Wheels make a massive difference. Obviously they're not perfect, but the car's not perfect. However, I'll go around here. This side's still the same, so you can see it's a lot better on the other side. This side I'm not. Yeah, I got sidetracked. Never actually got as far as doing this one. But there's too much footage of me washing the car otherwise anyway, so basically we're getting there. My camera's not focusing very well. We're getting there now. It's looking a bit better. Less land load upsetting. And yeah, don't worry about this one. I've had a few people having bits off that, so if I do need anything, give me a shout. because it won't be here long. They'll be going on a trailer and going off to be recycled into bean cans or whatever they go to. But anyway, that one looking a lot better, a lot clearer. I don't think my camera's quite right. Excuse me 2 seconds. Yeah, I think that might be better. Probably rainwater and, well, splashed from when I was washing stuff earlier. Anyway, I'm rabbiting on now. So, right, I'll get back inside, get myself a beer, and I'll see you in another video. Might do another one tomorrow, depending on weather and whether I can get time to do stuff. So I'll catch you later. Like and subscribe. Thanks very much.